In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set cookie settings in Google Chrome. Cookies are small files that websites use to store information about you on your own browser. Controlling how websites use these cookies can help you manage your privacy online. Whether you want to allow all cookies or just block third-party cookies, I'll guide you through the steps to adjust these settings to your preference in Google Chrome. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. Take a look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll notice a small icon featuring 3 vertical dots. This is often referred to as the More or Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open up a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options for customizing your browser settings. From this drop-down, you'll want to select Settings. It's usually near the bottom of the list, so you might have to scroll down a bit. Once you've clicked on Settings, a new tab will open up, presenting you with a variety of different settings categories on the left sidebar. Look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. This section is crucial as it contains all the necessary options to manage your browsing data and security guidelines, ensuring a safer and more personalized browsing experience. Click on Privacy and Security to reveal more options within this category. Now you're going to see a choice called Third-Party Cookies. This particular setting is where you'll make the decision about how you want Google Chrome to handle cookies from websites that you don't directly visit, or the third-party cookies. Click on Third-Party Cookies to dive deeper into the specific options available to you. Here, you'll have 2 main choices. The first option is to allow third-party cookies, which means your browser will accept cookies from all websites, enhancing convenience but potentially reducing privacy. The second option is to block third-party cookies, which will stop cookies from websites you're not directly visiting. Choosing this option could enhance privacy but might limit some site functionalities. Once you've decided on your preference, simply select it to apply the changes. Remember, you can always return to these settings and modify them anytime to suit your needs, depending on your browsing habits or privacy concerns. And there you have it. You've successfully set cookie settings in Google Chrome. Adjusting these settings gives you more control over your online privacy and the amount of data you choose to share on the web. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you manage your cookie settings smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to share it with others who might benefit from a little guidance in managing their browser settings.